Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my chicken fried rice. So for this you are going to be needing half a tablespoon of minced garlic and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. This is the brand of soy sauce that I like to use, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And I'm going to be using some of this Slap Your Mama seasoning to season my chicken. And you need half a cup of minced onions. And I have 1 chicken breast that I went ahead and cleaned and cut into small pieces. And you are going to be needing 2 cups of mixed vegetables. This is frozen vegetables, but you can use any type of vegetables that you want. And you're going to be needing some sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce and 2 eggs. And you're going to be needing 4 cups of 1 day or 2 day old cold rice. And you are going to be needing some salt and pepper to taste. Please check the description box where I will list everything I use in this video for you guys. So let's get cooking, guys. Okay, to start, I want to go ahead and take my Slap Your Mama seasoning. If you don't have this, you can definitely just use salt and pepper to taste. So about half a teaspoon, and I'm going to add a little bit of ground black pepper. And just make sure you just mix everything. Just like that. And now you can go ahead and set this to the side until we are ready to use it. And now to my soy sauce, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. This is half a tablespoon, so that's why I'm using 2. I just love, like I told you guys, I love oyster sauce so much, especially when I make chicken and broccoli or beef and broccoli, which I do have those videos up in the channel for you guys. So just make sure you check out my chicken and broccoli or my beef and broccoli recipe. So you just want to make sure you mix it really well because the oyster sauce is a little thicker. Just like that, and set it to the side. And now we can start making our chicken fried rice. To start, you want to go ahead and set your stove to medium high and add a little bit of your olive oil. And now we are going to start scrambling our eggs. I just cracked the eggs and put it in a plate. I did not season the eggs or anything. Now I like to keep my eggs together when I scramble it. I don't like to break it apart. I like to break it apart once I add it to my rice. So like I said, you want to go ahead and scramble your eggs without breaking it apart too much. And then we are going to remove it so we can stir fry the other stuff. If you haven't, please go follow me on Instagram, and also go check out my Twitter page, and go like my Facebook page if you have not. And also come snap with me on Snapchat. And if you are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Please don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video, which is always every Sundays. So make sure you hit that bell so you don't miss out in the party. I hope everyone is having a great holiday. I just love this time of the year. So my eggs are pretty much scrambled just like this. Nothing too crazy. And I'm going to remove it and try to scrape as much of the eggs out of the pan. And now you want to go ahead and take some sesame oil. I love using this, especially when I make these type of Asian dishes. It smells so good already. And now you're going to take your chicken and we are going to cook the chicken all the way through. You are definitely want your chicken to be cooked through, so I like to cut in between mine just so you guys can see that that chicken is cooked exactly what we are looking for. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic. And also I'm going to put in my onion. My kids are going to be so happy. They just love any rice dishes. Just like this. I love that smell of the oil, but you definitely don't want to overdo it with the oil because it can definitely overpower and take over the whole dish. So now you are going to heat this through. So saute this for about 2 minutes before we add our rice. And now you want to go ahead and add that rice. Remember, it's cold, so it is pretty hard. Just like this. A lot of you have been requesting this kind of videos. You guys must really like my easy Asian dishes. It's definitely a favorite in my household. So now all you want to do is break up the rice and mix it with the vegetables and the chicken. Again, they have to be cold 1 or 2 day old rice. Otherwise, it's going to be mushy, and that's not what we're going for. And this is jasmine rice that I use, guys. As it heats through, it should be easier to break apart. It smells so good. And I'm going to add that egg and just break it into the rice as well. Just like that. And just keep mixing it and breaking the egg and just mix it all over so that way everyone can have a piece of everything. Just like this. Don't forget, guys, if you try any of my recipes, please don't forget to tag me on social media so I can see how yours turn out. I love when I get messages from you guys telling me what recipes you try and stuff like that. Okay, just keep mixing it really well. I want to make sure I break most of the rice before I put in that sauce. What are you guys' holiday plans? Are anybody traveling for the holidays, or are you guys staying put? My family and I are definitely staying put. I've been traveling quite a bit. So it's time to relax at home and enjoy the quiet, hopefully the quiet holidays. So now you want to go ahead and add in that soy sauce and oyster sauce to give it that nice pretty color. Oh my goodness, guys, it smells so good. You guys have to try this recipe. This is so easy on a busy work night or school night. So easy and delicious. And all I'm doing is, again, mixing everything together, and that's pretty much it. You guys notice I didn't really have to add any salt because my Slap Your Mama seasoning had a little bit of salt and a little bit of heat. And of course, the soy sauce has some salt, so there's no need really for anybody to have to add salt, because I don't have to. And the rice had a little bit of, not too much, a little bit of salt when it was cooking. So No need for any salt. And this is pretty much it, guys. Of course, we are going to give it a little taste. I want a piece of chicken, but I know it's pretty hot. So good. That rice is still nice and fluffy. I mean, it's not mushy at all. But like I said, I hope you guys give this recipe a try. But this will do it for this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, comment, like, and share. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope everyone is having a blessed holiday. And I love you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.